really quick video to show you how to install Sentry mode stickers for Cybertruck. So you can see they fit in this area here. They don't block any kind of view because this is the A-pillar anyway. They come in black if you want something a little subtle, or they come in white if you want something really obvious. I'm going to install the white one. So first thing we need to do is clean the target area with one of the included alcohol wipes. If your windows are filthy, then give them a clean before doing this, because this is really a prep wipe, just to make sure there's nothing else left on the glass. Okay, I'm going to grab the sticker and the included squeegee. Just peel this back. These are, of course, these are designed and made in the US. They're UV stable. They're essentially bumper stickers, but repurposed for this particular role. So to get the alignment just right, I'm just kind of floating into place. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm looking across this top line here and then down this line here. I'm probably a little bit low, so I'm just going to peel it back. Try again. Don't want to mess around too long, doesn't make for a very good video. There you go. And then just use a squeegee. You can use anything, but the reason we're kind of going to include one of these is it just makes sure there's no bubbles behind it. It just makes for a really clean installation. And there you go. Hopefully that'll encourage people to leave your truck alone.